This video is for those of you who have a Windows 10 system with USB 3.0 ports, that's the blue ones, and you also have an HP printer. Now this one has dual paper trays, so it's a little bit more unique. It's harder to find one like this. It's an 8630 OfficeJet Pro. Now the two won't communicate, especially since the Windows update, so I can't print from my new computer to my relatively new printer because HP and Windows don't like each other very much. So I spent about 60 hours. I tried USB connection, network connection, wireless connection, every which way wouldn't work, even though I went on HP and they tell me that this software is supported and you shouldn't have any problem. Even with the USB connection, they said it is reverse compatible with the legacy software, but it isn't. You keep getting error messages. Network card won't work. It keeps saying invalid IP configuration. And that leaves you with the printer with the driver unavailable. We've tried every which way to try to get this resolved, and nothing seems to work. So as you can see here, I've just got some labels that I've printed out from this computer. So, well, how did I do that? Well, the answer was actually quite extreme, but quite simple. See, Windows 10 doesn't allow you to connect with HP printers very easily, but Windows 7 does. So what I did this morning, after 3 days, I contacted my computer guy, and I found this older computer. It was new. It's got a little dust on it from, well, we're in a bakery. So this computer is running Windows 7 Professional. It's fully updated with Service Pack 2. And all I did was I connected the printer direct with USB connection, which well, it's easier if I go to the back of the printer. So there's the USB connection. Okay, so that's going directly to the Windows 7 computer. Now from there, I networked this computer to my modem over here. Okay, so that was easy to do. It connected instantly. The printer is connected, and let's just go into our settings. And as you can see here, we're we're connected to the Primus network, and everything is okay. We're also connected on this computer. So then what I did was I created a profile on the network. I added all the computers together, and here I'll just give you a quick view of that. Where do I go? Here. Okay. So where are we? No, that's not it. Sorry. We'll go here. We'll go home group, network. So there we have it. The two computers, the printers, everything's on there. Okay. And if I go to print, sorry. We're going to go back in to our labels. And this is for the multigrain label, bagel. So we'll just show you how the program loads up. Yeah, we're using Avery, whatever. Don't be a hater. It is what it is. We're going to click on print. Yeah, it's not the speediest computer in the world. Plus, it's going through the network, so it does take a bit longer. If you look up here, this is the name of the other computer over here. So beside it, you see that it's got the printer and that it is ready to go. So we're just going to select 3 copies, printer properties. Okay, we're just going to double check printer trade number 2. As you can see, that's what's important because I need it to take labels, not the plain paper. So as you can see, we're going to go back, we're going to hit print. Okay, it takes a second to spool up. We're going to close that. And then usually about 10 or 15 seconds, you'll start to see that the printer will come alive and we'll get printing. So this was a big problem prior to getting this computer set up and on the network. I couldn't print from that one at all. So as you can see, we're not having no issues printing. See, it's coming out. Anyway, that's a quick fix, okay? So again, just to recap, we have our main computer where all of our documents are. We've got this computer, which is useless for everything. It doesn't do anything except operate the printer. Everything is connected through the router. And as you can see, my job is done. My files are printed. And so is this video. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps.